Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of label making with the NELKO label maker machine PM220. If you're running a small business or just love organization, this compact label printer might be a game changer for you. Let's check it out. So, straight out of the box, you get the NELKO label maker machine, a few rolls of label tape, and the manual. It's pretty compact, and I love the sleek white design. It's perfect for any workspace. The label printer comes with a label tape placed in the paper bin. Adjust the paper slot to secure the label tape properly, according to the label size. Press the button on the right side to calibrate the label before printing. Setting it up is a breeze. PM220 Bluetooth label maker supports iOS and Android and PC. For iOS and Android mobile phone, you just download the NELKO app, pair it with your device via Bluetooth, and you're ready to start designing your labels. The NELKO label maker machine with tape has a wide range of applications and creativity. Enjoy labels anywhere with PM220 label printer like small businesses, clothing, crafts, retail, jewelry, etc. Label address, barcode, transportation, price, date, ingredients, and product labeling. Ideal for a variety of labeling needs. You can choose the font style and size of text of your choice. I'm printing a label with text and draw a picture. Look at that! The print quality is pretty impressive, clear, crisp, and it handles both text and images really well. The app itself is user-friendly, with plenty of templates and customization options. You can add text, images, QR codes, and even your logo. You can also print any picture. Just select from photos from your phone and select print. If you need a versatile, portable label maker for your small business or personal use, this is definitely a solid choice. It's easy to use, offers great print quality, and the convenience of Bluetooth connectivity is a huge plus. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you're interested in checking them out, we've got a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.